Begin by warming your oven to a comfortable 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a 16-cup muffin pan by lining it with aluminum foil, ensuring to press it firmly into the cups. Apply a generous coating of cooking spray to the foil to guarantee your cherry pie bites don't adhere. Then, divide your jumbo buttermilk biscuits. It's important that each biscuit is bisected horizontally, thus forming 2 rounds of dough. Manipulate and extend each piece until it reaches a super thin consistency. This thinness is what will give your bites a delightful light and flaky texture. Now for the highlight, the cherry pie filling. Spoon approximately 2 tablespoons of this sweet and sour filling onto the center of your dough. Gather the dough around the filling, confirming it's secure. Position each filled bite in a cup of the muffin pan, with the seam side down. Continue this practice with the remaining biscuits and filling. Once all your bites are prepared, lightly coat the tops with a good spritz of approximately 2 tablespoons of additional cooking spray. Pop them in the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they've turned a lovely shade of golden brown. Allow them to cool for at least 10 minutes. Add a dusting of about half a cup of powdered sugar to give your cherry pie bites that extra bit of sweetness. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.